Hello everyone, let's see in this video how to make any aeroplane. First, take another notebook paper and do as I show in the video. If you have any questions, please comment and watch till the end of the video. I am using Google Translate to explain it, so just do what I show in the video and you will understand. If you don't understand something, comment, and understand something, comment and answer. I am very poor. Please subscribe to my channel and give a like if you like the video. See how the plane fly and tell me in the comments. You can also make other plane at your home or at school or on the school grounds. Please comment and let me know how you like this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. God bless you.